Using stolen credit card numbers online is not a viable or safe option. Despite the availability of such numbers, it's essential to understand that money doesn't magically appear from thin air. Whenever someone gains money, someone else loses it. Whether it's an individual, a bank, or a business, people typically dispute unknown transactions, which can happen within days or weeks. As a result, online businesses often return the money to the bank and terminate the associated account, as having no customer is preferable to having a problematic one. However, using stolen credit card numbers can lead to more trouble than benefits, and things can quickly escalate, potentially resulting in criminal charges. The blame always falls on the individual who agrees to use the stolen card. Fortunately, there are better, more legitimate ways to earn money that don't involve using stolen credit card numbers.